Today, we are making a Thai-style meal, egg with pork and clear soup. Let's prep the ingredients. Peel the garlic cloves, then finely mince. Cut the spring onions in half, keep some in longer pieces for cooking the soup, and thinly slice the rest to add at the end. Cut the ginger into small, even pieces. Break the eggs into a bowl, season with fish sauce and a pinch of white pepper, then beat until slightly frothy and well combined. Now make the garlic oil. Heat some oil. Fry the minced garlic for a few seconds until lightly golden and fragrant. Then set aside. Using the same pan, add a little more oil if needed, then pour in the egg mixture and let it fry until golden and crispy. Transfer to a cutting board, then cut it into chunky bite-sized pieces. Next, in a mixing bowl, add the minced pork, seasoned with fish sauce and white pepper. Then mix well. Shake the seasoned minced pork into small ball shapes, gently pressing to keep them firm and even. In a pot, add the stock, sliced ginger, and spring onions. Bring it to a gentle boil to release the aroma and flavor. Remove all the aromatics from the pot, leaving a clear and flavorsome broth behind. Gently add the minced pork balls into the pot and let them cook until fully done and tender. Season with a little seasoning powder, then stir gently to combine and adjust the taste. Transfer the egg back into the pot, then add the sliced spring onions and let it simmer briefly to combine the flavors. It's ready, ladle it into a serving dish. Serve a bowl of hot pork soup with steamed jasmine rice. It's simple, homely, and bursting with flavors. The perfect meal any day of the week. Thank you for cooking along with us today. Do you like this recipe? Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more tasty dishes. Enjoy and happy cooking!